Hello and welcome to Williams Crawford. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful Range Rover Autobiography that has just arrived in for sale here. It's a 14 model year and it's a one owner car from new. A private local owner to us, and our own Anthony Ainsley actually supplied this car new. So it's a full Land Rover maintenance record. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing, and it's in Causeway Grey metallic. It's super classy looking, and is probably the most luxurious way of going about your travel that you could have. And this one has been used for travelling up and down the motorway. It's covered 74,000 miles, although you wouldn't believe it looking at the condition. It's never towed. And it's just come in, so there are a few little bits that we'd like to polish up, but in today's situation we're a bit short of that. It's got the 21-inch alloys, which are diamond cut, and we'll go and have a look around the outside first. You can see the highlights on the side, the silvery grey highlights and the bright door handles. This car's got the surround camera system on it, so completely shows you everything that that is around you from the inside, which is really, really nice, and it's never towed. So a super nice clean example. Let me show you the inside. This is very special. So inside is all black semi-anodyne leather, including the optional leather headliner and the glass panoramic sunroof. It's also got the winged head restraints in the seats, massage seats, all electric adjustment with obviously with heat and a heated steering wheel. This is a grand piano black trim inside, which is really nice, silver stitching. It's got the satellite navigation and TV, so that the passenger can watch TV whilst the driver's on the sat nav. Adaptive cruise control, ambient lighting. It's got the timed climate, so it's going to you can prepare the temperature of the car before you get in. You can see that the car is in lovely condition throughout. Electric rear seats as well. It's got rubber overmats over original carpet mats. It's got Meridian sound. And one more thing technically that's really interesting is that this car was optioned with the locking rear differential. I believe this would have been something in the order of £90,000 new, and to replace today you're well into six figures. Now this one is not new, and we've advertised it at £30,995 with a very good warranty and in a lovely condition. We can deliver nationwide. We can do more pictures, video, whatever it is that you want. Don't worry about the distance. Let's get the car right. We'll be really careful with the description with you, but you're fairly safe because it's in beautiful, beautiful condition. Even little things like the edges of the door really nice. This is a very clean example, and with a bulletproof maintenance record as well. So we're Williams Crawford. We can look after all your financing, we can organise part exchange, and we can deliver it to your door nationwide risk-free. If you like it, please get in touch, and we'll try and put something together for you. Thank you for watching. I'm Adrian Crawford, Williams Crawford,